Hey keto friends, are you ready to bake up something absolutely delicious? I'm Carolyn from All Day I Dream About Food, and today we're making a recipe out of the ultimate guide to keto baking. I'm showing you how to make the frosted lemon sugar cookies. These keto sugar cookies are soft and pillowy with a delicious lemon flavor and a wonderful lemon frosting. Okay, lemon lovers, let's get started. In my bowl, I have half a cup of softened butter, and I'm going to add 2/3 cup granular sweetener. I am using Swerve sweetener. And we're just going to beat these together until they're nicely combined. Next, we're going to beat in 1 whole egg and 1 egg yolk. Now, the yolk gives the cookies some extra tenderness, but it also makes them a little more yellow for the lemon color. We'll just beat those in until smooth. And I always like to put some fresh lemon zest in my lemon desserts because I think it really brings out the flavor. So I'm going to do about 2 teaspoons worth of fresh lemon zest. And we're going to add some lemon extract, and I put in about 3/4 teaspoon. And half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And beat it all in until it's nicely combined. Now we're going to add 2 cups of almond flour, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon salt. And we're just going to beat that all in together. Then we just take our sugar cookie dough and we roll it into 1-inch balls. And you're going to get about 24 cookies out of this. So once I've rolled all the cookie dough into balls and put it on my baking sheet, I like to press them down a little with the heel of my hand so that they flatten out a little and they bake a little more evenly. And now the cookies are ready for the oven, and I'm going to bake them at 325 for about 15 to 18 minutes. So I've taken my cookies out of the oven, and I'm going to get working on the frosting while they cool for a little while. Now here I have 4 ounces of softened cream cheese and 3 tablespoons of softened butter, and I'm going to beat them together. And I'm going to beat in 1/4 cup of powdered sweetener. I have powdered Swerve here. And I'm also going to put in 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I'm going to grate some more lemon zest into my frosting, about 1 teaspoon's worth. And I'm adding 2 tablespoons worth of fresh lemon juice. And we'll beat that together. And we want to add a little bit of heavy whipping cream until we have a nice spreadable consistency. So I'm adding about 2 tablespoons. Now at this point, your frosting is white. If you would like it to be a nice lemon yellow, you can use some food coloring. I use this natural food coloring from Color Kitchen, and it's just a vegetable-based powder. It's very strong though, so I add just a little at a time until I get a nice pale yellow color. I find that if you add too much of this, it tends to go a bright neon color. So just a little at a time, beat it in until you have the color you want. And now all you need to do is take a cookie and spread some of your frosting on top. And you will have some gorgeous lemon frosted sugar cookies. You can also have some fun with these and make them into sandwich cookies. So you could spread the bottom with some of the frosting and top it with another cookie. For more great tips and tricks on keto baking and other great recipes, grab a copy of The Ultimate Guide to Keto Baking or check out my blog, alldayidreamaboutfood.com.